Welcome back to Luxury Car Vibes, your ultimate destination for exploring the latest and most iconic cars. Today, we're diving into the revival of a classic of the 2025 Citroën 2CV. This modern interpretation of the legendary 2CV combines retro charm with contemporary technology, making it a perfect blend of nostalgia and innovation. The 2025 Citroën 2CV stays true to its roots with a design inspired by the original classic. Its rounded bodywork, prominent wheel arches, and minimalistic styling evoke the charm of the original 2CV, while modern touches like sleek LED headlights, a reimagined grille, and 15-inch retro-styled alloy wheels bring it into the 21st century. The lightweight aluminium body ensures improved efficiency while maintaining the car's iconic silhouette. Inside, the 2CV offers a quirky yet functional cabin designed to provide maximum comfort and practicality. The minimalist dashboard features a central digital display for infotainment and controls, with compatibility for Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Comfortable fabric seats with retro stitching add a vintage vibe, while features like automatic climate control, keyless entry, and a panoramic roof bring modern convenience. Despite its compact size, the 2CV provides ample headroom and a cleverly designed boot for practical storage solutions. Under the hood, the 2025 Citroën 2CV is equipped with a fully electric powertrain, reflecting the brand's commitment to sustainability. It features a 50 kWh battery pack, delivering a range of up to 300 km on a single charge. The electric motor produces 75 PS, offering smooth acceleration and a top speed of 120 km per hour, making it ideal for urban commuting and weekend getaways. Charging is convenient, with support for both AC and fast DC charging, allowing an 80% charge in just 30 minutes. Safety is a priority, with the new 2CV featuring advanced systems like ABS, electronic stability control, lane departure warning, and automatic emergency braking. The lightweight construction and modern safety features ensure a secure and enjoyable driving experience. The 2025 Citroën 2CV is designed to be an affordable electric vehicle, with prices starting at a superscript 115 lakh, making it accessible for those seeking an eco-friendly car with timeless charm. For fans of the original 2CV and modern F enthusiasts alike, this car is a perfect choice that bridges the gap between heritage and innovation. If the 2025 Citroën 2CV has sparked your interest, let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, share it with other car enthusiasts, and subscribe to Luxury Car Vibes for more exciting updates on classic revivals and cutting-edge vehicles.